Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plans. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you guys come back to watch another A6 rings plan with me. Be fun. This time we'll be using our weekly inserts that are undated. So we'll be using that for the first time or a couple times. Here is the kit that I designed. Everything is hand drawn. I'm so excited how it turned out. First sticker does say you are very best, and another one will be the lemonade one, and here is the second sheet where it has full box and some boxes, date cover up, some flags, Mimi and Nuku and lemons, tiny flags, and a weekly tracker. We have to-do headers, some checklists. Finally, we have this washi tape one, and I really like how it turned out. These washi stickers are very versatile. You can use it for any planners you like. I normally create a structure layout first before I write down my tasks and plans. Here I am planning on using date cover up. I am putting all the stickers on my hand. I think it's just a quick way to do that. I'm not sure, do you guys do that too? I feel like I do it quite often for planning. It works so well for me. Placing all the date cover-ups, so I think I'm starting with Tuesday. Lastly, I'm placing Saturday and Sunday date cover-ups, and I think I'm done for that. And just note that at the end of the plan of me, I end up cutting the video quite short because I accidentally breaking my laptop screen, and so you'll see that in the end where I completely stop suddenly. Here I am writing down notes. I decided to use this weekly tracker, place it under the notes vertical box, and I plan on using this vertical box for my meals tracker. And you can definitely use this for tracking your steps. You can use it to track your expense. These are some examples. Here I am referring back to my previous week. I plan on writing down mood tracker, and here I'm trying to figure out how many lines I should write across, and I brought up a ruler and helped me write the line across nicely and tidy right across. Here I am tracking my mood, and I wrote down happy, neutral, sad, stressed, and tired. Those are the 5 common moods that I often experience for the week. We kind of need to find out how I felt throughout the week, and it could be things that I have experienced for that day. I like to add some doodles in my planners, add a bit of personality to my spread. I decided to put down to-do headers, put a star checklist underneath to do, and started writing some of my tasks, the most important ones for that day. Right after that, notes, so I decided to write a Instagram tracker. Next, I decided to use this fin sticker and to write down Animal Crossing, and I put a Mimi Switch sticker on the right beside Animal Crossing. And then next, I started writing down tasks I need to do in the game. Do you guys have a game planner? For me, I do have an Animal Crossing bullet journal. Next, I added a mini flags, very tiny mini flags, right underneath all the tasks. Next, I am going through all my stickers, trying to find the right stickers for this activity. Found my Mimi working away sticker, and I put it right beside edit video. And next I decided it looks a little bit bare in the meal tracker, so I decided to put a Nuku holding a donut. You can't forget about donut. Next I put Nuku holding a little box, and it's really a checkbox that you can check off things that we have done, and I start writing things like happy meal. I need to pick up my happy meal for that day. Lastly, for Monday, top it off with some nice washi, and I use my ruler to cut off the end piece. On to Tuesday. Oh, I lied. Not on Tuesday. I decided to write the dates. Today, I decided, you know what? I think it will look very nice with a full box sticker. I decided to use Mimi, you are the very best. Underneath that, I decided to put to-do header, and then the star checklist to write some top priority tasks I need to do. Underneath that, I put is a little bit quarter box stickers that has lemons all over the place. I am going through my sticker book, finding the best stickers for it, and I got this Mimi sticker. Next, I decided to find more stickers. I think I was trying to look for, oh yes, I'm trying to find a thunderstorm or raining type of sticker, and I found Mimi holding this cloud raining, trying to represent for that day if there was a thunderstorm. And lastly, to top it off for Tuesday, I decided to put some orange washi sticker. Decided to use washi tape underneath all the tasks. And lastly, on Tuesday, I top it off with a skinny orange washi tape. Next, I have decided to use more full boxes, and I decided to use this very cute strawberry all over the place full box stick. I forgot to write some to do, so I built that in for Tuesday. And here I am putting a to-do header stickers underneath Wednesday. And I top it off using a star checklist, writing some tasks there. I hope everyone enjoyed this video so far. This time video editing is slightly different from our past videos. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video so far. And I decided to add this lemon sticker underneath all the tasks. Next, I am adding a border box sticker. I'm trying to experiment this style, placing it vertically. I think I've tried it before, but I'm trying again to see how that looks. Write some tasks on the side. On to Tuesday, I decided to use the strawberry washi sticker at the bottom of the spread. Same for Saturday and Sunday to match the two. For Thursday, I added Mimi with the sun to represent the sunny day. I added to-do headers, some checklists. I readjust the to-do since it's a little bit crooked. Underneath that, I put another sticker, and I made my first banana bread ever, and it was really good. Next, I decided to use another skinny sticker and write down some quick tasks, and I put lemon sticker flag right beside groceries. Underneath that, I write down things I need to buy. To top off Thursday, I put down Mimi with the smoothie sticker to remind me to make some smoothie. For Friday, I write down sunny. It's sunny for that day. And I put down another sticker, full box sticker, that says, when life gives you lemon, turn it into a lemonade. Underneath that, I put to do. And lastly, I put Mimi that's taking a nap and wrote down that I slept late. Saturday, here I am deciding to put a full box, same for Sunday. Kind of use up all this full box. They're so cute. Lemon and strawberry. Those are the two great combinations together. Orange and yellow. Underneath the full box, I put to-dos, header, and I put checklist again. And for Sunday, I did put another sticker, and then on top of that, I put a couple. And I did laundry on Sunday, wrote down my friend's wedding on Sunday. Actually, I did reposition it and place it back in Saturday. I made a mistake. It should be on Saturday. Finally, I failed to do tasks for Saturday and Sunday. And once I repositioned the stickers to Saturday, this is where I ended cutting off the video short because I have no more room on my camera to transfer it to my computer. Since my computer, I did accidentally break the display, so I'm really sad. Anyways, I hope you all enjoy my plan with me in my A6 planner using Sweetness mini kit. All the links will be listed, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!